video we talk about engine. Just came back from the vapor blasting guy, or whatever you want to call it. And basically there's vapor blasting, and let's have a look what we got today. Freshly blasted side covers and everything, like that is awesome. Let me set the camera up. There we go. So we've got cylinder head. Need to work a bit on that. Before I start this, we've got some goodies. From Jawa shop. So bushings, the thingies, like new selector fork, clutch blades, swing arm pivot shit, carb rebuild kit, and complete engine bolt and nut kit. So I thought, just because this engine being vapor blasted and everything, it's shame to put it same shitty bolts back in. So 2 seconds, I'm back with the layout on the table. And we're back. So what we got today, yeah, like I said, the engine was vapor blasted. So now it's like really clean and tidy. The cylinder block still has a few bits, but that's going to be painted. Anyway, to compare how it did looked, that's the best example. So let's say, let's put this on the side. This looked exactly the same color, so really camera can't really transfer this that much, but it is. Oh, there you go, that looks better. All this looked like that. I haven't washed the carburetor in vapor blasting just because it sits under this nice cover like that. So we got carb cover, the nut, side covers, blocks, well, what do you call it, the cylinder block, cylinder head, and a barrel. Head came out nice, just those dings, I need to work a bit on them. Cylinder block again, gonna be painted, so I'm not too bothered. That's the update on engine. Framework got a bit corroded because sat here over Christmas untouched. I've done a bit of sandblasting, not sandblasting, but like wire brush and shit. That's me workhorse, daily workhorse. I don't know if anyone wants it, I can make a little video. That's VFR 800X, so 15 plate cross runner. I believe it's 73 or 74,000 miles, isn't it? 73,733 miles. So that's my daily horse. Just been waiting for his new filter. But yeah, back to Jawa, back to proper bikes, not this Japanese junk. Kidding, any bikes are good. In this particular case, we're talking about Jawa. Yeah, so the bits, some places getting a bit like surface rust like this. So I'm not too bothered because that's still in the process of cleaning. But yeah, let me show you one more thing. As I showed early on, we have clutch plates, this and that, some bits and bobs. So old bits looked like that and now they look like this. So yeah, the project coming up in not the fastest pace, but pretty quick. So next frame, again, I will be doing something on this old lady in a bit. We're gonna paint this bad boy. That is the cylinder barrel. I masked it, well, sprayed some brake cleaner to degrease it. I masked it. Now I need to warm it up so it stays warm. And then I'm gonna paint the barrel. So let's do that. And here we are. Not the best color I wanted. Obviously being the spray paint like from the can, don't give you that really thick layer. So let's say it's quite wrinkly because it's cast iron. I would like it to be a bit more thicker layer, but I avoided buying brush paint because the fins, I don't know, I can zoom it in, but as you can see, there's some of them like really sticking out, so they're quite deep. That would mean I would need to make lots of paint go deep in, and most likely I would make a runs. So, well, it is what it is. At least it's quite, can't say very high quality paint, but it's quite good paint. Gonna leave that, as it says, 10 hours to cure it. So let's jump into another frame and see what's going on there.